So greeting students again. And so this is just a short lesson on how to use have and has. Okay, so I was just teaching a lesson on the present perfect tense. And the present perfect tense is something that happened in the past but still affects now. And so we use have and has. And so this is important. Look, have and has are both used to demonstrate possession. He has something, she has, so we use have and has to show possession. He has a sickness, he has a Honda Dream, she has, they have, but also we use it to form the perfect tense. And the past tense of both is had. Okay, so both have, past tense had, has, past tense also had. But they are used differently. So look at the examples. Have. Have is used with the pronoun I, you, we, they. It's important to know which pronouns to use with have and which pronouns to use with has, because we use different pronouns. And so I, you, we, they have. I have a Honda Dream. You have a Scoopy. We have a car. They have a big motorcycle. It can also be used with pluralized nouns. Okay, so let's look at the examples. And so say it after me, all right? I have a pencil. We have a big house. Doctors have a rough time dealing with illnesses all the time. Doctors have, so there's the pluralized noun. Doctors have a rough time, a difficult time dealing or living with and treating and trying to solve illnesses all the time. And so say it after me. Doctors have a rough time dealing with illnesses all the time. Do you have any money? We have a new ride at the amusement park. The children have gone to play in the park. Children, by the way, is also a pluralized noun. The child has gone. The children have gone. Okay, so remember, I, you, we, they have. What about has? Has is used with the third person singular. He, she, it. There's first person, second person, third person. We'll study about that sometime. But the third person is he, she, it. He has, she has, it has. It can also be used when you're referring to someone by name. By name. Let's look at the examples. And so say it after me. She has dark hair and brown eyes. Japan has a population of over 120 million. So Japan, the name of a country or the name of a person. The boom has created job opportunities. The boom has created job opportunities. The boom is a noun, has created. She has made a television. She has made a television documentary on poverty in our cities. Say it after me. She has made a television documentary on poverty in our cities. She has a car we can borrow. The field has been seeded with corn. Okay, so to review, have is used with the pronouns I, you, we, they, and also plural nouns. Has is used with he, she, and it. I, you, we, they have. He, she, it has. And has can also be used when you're referring to someone or something by name. All right? And so that's it, and I hope that this was helpful to help you understand the difference between have and has.